Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Mayglow back with another video. If today is your first time here, hello, can you subscribe? Today's video is a get ready with me to share my YouTube videos, and specifically I'm going to talk about YouTube because YouTube can frustrate you and also love it. So let's get right into the video. Hey guys, good morning, welcome to my channel. It's a girl Mayglow back with another video. So in today's video I get motivated. I just want to shoot a YouTube video, so I'm done setting up my life. I'm not at my regular place to shoot a video. So I was having this painting in this room, but I don't like it. I want to use white, so I did some DIY background. Okay, so here is it. I just nail on the wall with this my satin kind of fabric. Okay, yeah, so with this my satin kind of fabric. So I just want to shoot a video here and see if in case I'll get what I want, but I think it's still not working well for me, or it will work with me. So I'm going to shoot a YouTube video. Okay, I'm going to shoot a YouTube video for you guys, so stay tuned with me and let's see how it turns out, because you're getting so down for YouTube. I will tell you why. Okay, so keep on watching. So today's video is kind of get ready with me to shoot a YouTube video. Okay, yeah, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Let's go. Yeah, so in today's video is all about how YouTube frustrating others and also helping others. Okay, so if you're a newbie and you want to start a YouTube channel, please be patient. Okay, you don't just get up and choose a video like I want to be a YouTuber. Please get your research done. Look, how am I missing this today? I'm not a favorite YouTuber. Okay, I was watching motivation YouTube shoot video, and that's why I'm here now talking to you guys. If not that, I'll be on my bed watching all this video. So I'm coming to put on my makeup to shoot a YouTube video. Let's talk as I do my makeup. Okay, my face is well moisturized. YouTube is frustrating me at the moment, so that's why I'm here. Anyone you're trying to join this YouTube game, feel free to join. Okay, it's open for everyone. Don't be shy. I was a shy person. One day I was about to shoot a video and it went all well for me. MAC foundation interview 55. So I'm going to blend both of them together. I joined YouTube on the 17th of September 2020. That was my birthday, and I decided to shoot my first video. My first video came up on the 17th September 2020, but it was shot on August 28, 2020. This is my third year on YouTube, and YouTube has been frustrating me since I joined their platform. I don't know why YouTube is doing this to me. Maybe they don't like me to be part of their, or I'm just frustrated here, or they want to make me face the real life of being that girl. So my third year here on YouTube, and I got monetized on the 2nd February 2022. Guys, imagine 2 years on YouTube before getting monetized. I got the subscribers earlier, but the watch hours I didn't get. I was on YouTube my second year, then I got monetized. So after monetization, the 3rd month after monetization, and YouTube took my page from 0 to 100. One of my video went viral. It got about 1 million views. I'm still posting videos though. That video that went viral, and someone commented over that video and asked if I can have a ponytail compilation video. I did my ponytail videos, but I added 1 or 2 ponytail videos from the internet. I added them to my video, so it was kind of compilation video. That video also did well on my channel. That video also went viral. So I was getting a lot of views on my channel actually, and it was helping me to get a lot of views and well recognition from people. If I post a video today, the next day I'll wake up 50k views, 100k views. Within 5 days I have a video I posted here for, I think it was 8 days or 10 days, and I was at 100k. I was at 100k views. I was like, whoop, my video in 10 days 100k views. Everything was going on well on my channel. So I received an email from YouTube again on the 23rd August 2022, and YouTube told me that, hey Mayglow, We are so sorry to announce to you that your channel got demonetized for a reused content. And that was how everything turned down for me. And YouTube told me to delete every video from my channel, guys. What will I say? What will I do? If YouTube is asking me to delete the videos, who am I to say no? I deleted the videos and YouTube told me to reapply in the next month. So guys, so I deleted a lot of videos from YouTube channel. So I was thinking reuse content, so it was about the people's video that I compiled it to my page. That's why YouTube asked me to delete that content. So after I deleted those videos and I waited for 1 month before, you have to wait for 1 month before you can reapply. I reapplied it on the September. So September, as I was waiting the 2 years anniversary of my channel was demonetized. September that I applied, YouTube denied my application. It was so asking there's something wrong on my page. So it says do something about your page before you apply again. Guys, I'm tired. Now I was so worried. Like, but YouTube told me that you can post a video. I didn't want my subscribers to go. So I was just still posting videos about my YouTube tutorials, my hairstyles and other things. I was posting, but you know something? YouTube told me there's something so wrong on your channel. You have denied your reapplication again. YouTube denied my application, so I waited for another month. You have to wait for the following month before you can reapply. I waited for the next month, that's October. After I reapplied again, YouTube told me they are sorry, I can't be part of the YouTube partnership program. I was tired. I said myself, this YouTube thing is not for me, but I believe one day I will still be on this channel and I'll tell you guys how YouTube is working on well for me. I believe one day I'll come here again and talk to you guys about that. It's definitely going to come to pass. So I have to wait another month again. So basically 3 months gone, left it only November and December. And from December going, I won't get my watch hours back again. That means I have to start again from January 2023. So I was praying that finally I have to do everything. And the more you're deleting, your watch hours coming down. So you have to delete wisely. What eyeshadow to go with? I'm planning of doing a nude makeup, but I don't know. Tell me something, because today is not my day though. Today is not my day. So back to business. So YouTube told me to apply it in the following month. So the following month was November. And after November, and I do any brows for today. I'm not going to do any much brow for today. Okay. I applied it again the next month. That was the November. And after November, YouTube denied me again. I'm so tired. I was crying. That was last year. I planned on joining Vlogmas, and I'm like, whoa, this more than Vlogmas on its own way. So let me do my one corner and pray I'll get monetized back. Yesterday I was posting my hair tutorials and also my videos, yeah, because YouTube gave me that platform that I can still post a video, but that videos people will watch, but I won't get anything from that video. Okay, yeah, so I was all posting one big really just to keep the audience. So I deleted most of my videos from my channel because I lost my watch hours, so I have to post a video to get a watch hours back. Even my videos, the video that were mine, YouTube was still saying I should take those videos down. If I apply, they would deny me. So I was like, what's wrong with this page? I'll go through the videos. All the videos there are mine, but YouTube are somehow accepting my partnership. So I'm like, what? Then I have to do. I deleted my videos. I don't know. So if I check my video and it's similar to someone's on this YouTube game, then I'll delete that video. So I deleted it. Oh, so guys, so if in case you're a newbie coming into this industry, this YouTube game, you want to be a YouTuber, be ready for anything. You want to be a YouTuber, I will encourage you to come here on YouTube because it's worth it. But just that you'll be frustrated. So be very, very patient, because you're coming to face the real life. Sometimes people get it easy. People get it easy. And not everybody will get it easy. I know a lady friend, and the day that she posted her first video, like get to know me tag, that video got 5k views within 7 days. Okay, so someone can post today or work well with a person, but you can also post a video my first day on YouTube, and you can also get 2 views or 5 views. So YouTube is some way. So because as with anything that you get here on YouTube, because one day it can also turn upside down, because here a very, very tough competition. Be consistent, don't mind anybody. Feel free to block anybody if you like blocking, if in case someone's post is also always distracting you, is always pressuring you or something. Feel free to block that person and focus on yours. Okay, plan a video, shoot them, and also post. Okay, don't look at anybody and compare anybody's channel to yours. Please be content with everything you get or you have here on YouTube. Okay, until this, my next video coming up. Okay, so stay tuned guys for that one. So yeah, that's basically how YouTube is. Please go ahead and take your camera, take your phone. As I'm talking to you now, I'm shooting with my Samsung. I have a story time coming up, how I lost my phone, my camera, and everything. Okay, but as I'm shooting with you now, I'm shooting with my Samsung. So feel free to shoot video with any phone you have now. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello stranger, it's been a minute. Okay guys, so I'll post this wig under the description if you guys want it or you want similar. I bought this wig for I think 2 years now and it's still worth it.